What's up, YouTube? 2019 Buick Encore. Customers complaining of this being broke. It's a common problem on these. I got the new cover already. I'm going to show you how to replace it. Here's the part number, 95259703. It's for the passenger side. The driver's side is going to be a similar cover, but a different part number. I don't know what the part number is on that, but I can tell you this is the one that breaks the most for some reason. Anyways, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue my videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is bring your seat all the way forward. If you don't know how to do that, there's a lever down here. Pull it forward. Now, this little cover right there, it doesn't come with that cover. So we're going to pop this one out. Just take you a flathead screwdriver. This thing only goes on one way. It's a little nicked up, but it is what it is. They don't give you a new cover. You can see that the line on that, how it goes towards that handle. Get that out of your way. Now the handle, you don't get that either. Push those little tabs to the left, that to the side. And we have a Phillips head screw. And you're gonna have one in the front too. Probably should have took that one out first before I rolled the seat back, but that's okay. This is broke, so screws right there. Not sure if you can see it on video, but you know about the location. Okay. Those are the same, so it doesn't matter which one you use. Seatbelt's going to kind of be in the way. Let's pull the seat all the way forward. Okay. The rest of the holding is just clips. That's the old clip, I guess. Route that behind. You're gonna, this little hook right here, you make sure you hook into here. Make sure you pull on to make sure it's hooked. And line up all your knobs, notches. You should feel in here clicking as you push. That's lined up. Okay, that one's on. We'll focus on that last screw after I put all this back together. Make sure it's working before we just put that cover back on. Alright. Now we're going to roll this bad boy back. Let's go ahead and fix our seat belt. Tuck that out of the way as best you can. I'm working on the ground and outside. Let's go a little light on this situation here. There's two holes right there. You're going to go in the top hole. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Go in that bottom hole. It's going to sag down. Just like that, baby. We're in. Remember the top hole, because if you put it in the bottom hole, it's going to be off center, which I don't even know why they put 2 holes there. That's stupid. Pop that back in. Let's check the back and make sure it's all flush back here too. We're good now, y'all. There you go. And that back screw did not have to come out. I guess if you would have pulled that whole piece would have came out, but it don't matter. It splits apart. You don't get that piece anyway. So however you want to do it, but that's up to you. I'm just here to show you how I do it. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video. If y'all liked it, check like. And as always, please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.